them in the I just use the old one. Hi friends, my name is Alvin from Handsome, and today I'm going to show you how to do wet shave with a double-edged safety razor. So for today's shave, I'm going to use products from 3 different brands. Shaving cream from Proraso, a shaving bowl and a shaving brush, which is from Ubersuave, and also from this same brand, 2 different safety razors. And for blade of choice, I'm going to use Derby because it's really one of my favorites. And I'm going to finish off with this Proraso aftershave. And for this shave, you will also need some warm water. So let's get the razor ready. It's a butterfly open razor. All you need to do is to turn the knob below. A good blade will last you about 4 to 5 shaves before you have to replace it. Pop it in and then turn the knob and it's closed. Adjustable razors are very special because there are many settings from 1 to 7 to allow you to adjust the exposure level of the blades. For a typical Asian like me, setting of 3 will be my favorite, but because today I have a thicker accumulation of beard and moustache over the last 2 weeks, I'm going to turn the knob up by 4. Now I'm going to start lathering process. I'm going to put a fingertip amount of this shaving cream. This amount is good. I'm going to put it into the bowl, and for the brush, right, I should pre-wet it in warm water. Okay, a little bit will do. Will do. Okay, squeeze it out a bit, and then I'm going to start swirling the shaving cream. Let's go. Okay, I've made my lather. It's a yogurt consistency now, so I'm going to start. Okay. Apply to your face just using the tip. Don't need to use any force. And you can start to do a circular motion. For this part, I don't want to get it on my nose. Just squeeze the brush. See, I didn't even touch my nose, right? Okay, now I'm going to start shaving. Just do very short strokes and never ever do this direction, and a 30 degrees shaving. It's always good to shave over the protection. You notice that in my first pass, I'm only going in one direction, which is along the grain. So for this part, right, under my lips, I'm going to roll my mouth. Okay, I'm going to do the moustache now. You can also use your finger to pull your skin to get a closer shave. For the face hair, it tends to grow downwards, but for your neck, it tends to grow upwards. So now I'm going to go along with the grain. Okay, consider my first pass as done. I'm going to wash my face. So for most people, right, one single pass will be enough for them to get ready for going to work. But for me, I like to have a very close shave. So I'm going to go for a second pass, but this time I'm going to go across the grain instead of along the grain. Start off with the sideburns. Be careful with this part. Just do it slowly, slow and steady. So to finish off, right, remember I said that I'm going to finish off with a Proraso aftershave. So it's going to sting a little, but it will just give you a cooling sensation. It smells really manly and like a barbershop scent. Just pour generously, and then you just dab it over. I can feel a little bit of. Ooh. Okay, I'm done. I'm all clean shaven now, and I think more or less you already know how to do wet shaving with a double-edged safety razor. So I don't think you need this anymore. And if you are interested in any of the products that I've talked about today, you can check the links below, and I have a discount code for you. Enter Handsome to get a 5% off all the products. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and let us know what you think about wet shaving, and comment what your go-to shaving products in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to us, and I hope to see you again.